The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a true road monster, a custom-built masterpiece that blends the power of a big rig with the elegance of a five-star hotel. Typically built on a robust Kenworth T680 or W900 chassis, its sleek, aerodynamic body contrasts sharply with its muscular appearance. Its strong hood hides a powerhouse, often a PACCAR MX-13 or a Cummins X15 diesel engine. These engines offer more than simply dependable power for transportation thanks to their enormous torque and cutting-edge fuel-saving technology, which is occasionally paired with a hybrid electric system for optimal efficiency and range. This RV stands out on the road because to its striking grille, dazzling chrome, cutting-edge LED lighting, and distinctive body paint. You are welcomed with a stunning cockpit that blends contemporary technology with classic utility as soon as you get behind the wheel. A huge 15-inch digital display takes the place of the conventional dashboard, giving the driver complete control and the latest recent information. The panel may be configured to display everything from tire pressure and trailer condition to navigation and engine diagnostics. The multi-function steering wheel gives you all the tools you need to control the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road. Long trips are made pleasant by the ergonomic design, plush leather seats with heating and massaging features, and excellent sound system. As soon as you step behind the wheel, you are greeted by a gorgeous cockpit that combines modern technology with traditional functionality. The traditional dashboard is replaced by a massive 15-inch digital display, which provides the driver with total control and the most recent data. The panel may be set up to show anything from engine diagnostics and navigation to tire pressure and trailer condition. You have all the tools you need to operate the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road thanks to the multi-function steering wheel. The ergonomic design, luxurious leather seats with heating and massage capabilities, and top-notch sound system make long travels enjoyable. A cozy retreat is the master bedroom. After a tiring day of travel, its plush linens, top-notch mattress, and full king-size bed make it the ideal haven. There is plenty of walking room and creative built-in storage options. The bedroom has been transformed into a private movie theater complete with a huge flat-screen TV and a separate sound system. The large windows with blackout curtains allow you to sleep in complete darkness or wake up to a beautiful dawn. You may also alter the ambient lighting to create a more tranquil setting. It feels like a private spa in the bathroom. It features a porcelain toilet, a full-size vanity with a pricey countertop, and a large shower with a glass enclosure. You will never run out of warm water thanks to the shower's many jets and on-demand hot water systems. The design smoothly incorporates ample storage for toiletries and towels. The sleek, contemporary finishes and state-of-the-art technologies employed in the design make the space both opulent and surprisingly hygienic. The RV's kitchen, which is designed to please even the pickiest cook, is its biggest draw. It has a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and granite or solid surface counters. Cleaning is made easy with a pull-down faucet and a spacious sink. The spacious handcrafted cabinets offer plenty of room for storing groceries, cookware, and dishes, and every component is of domestic quality. This is a complete gourmet kitchen that can be used to quickly cook five-star meals. It's not simply a kitchenette.